Hello, welcome to Crypto Wisdom 108. In this video, I'll be going over how to create Binance account using a mobile device. Before I proceed on the steps, I would like to provide this disclaimer. At Crypto Wisdom, we do not provide financial advice. So everything I say in this video is for educational purposes only. With this disclaimer in place, let us begin. To create Binance account, you will require three things. You will require your personal information, which includes your name, date of birth, and your address. You also require personal identification or government issue identification, and the government issue identification include a personal ID card, passport, driver's license. All has to be government issued. And then the third one will be facial verification. And for facial verification, you make sure that you take a selfie and then you'll be able to verify. Now, if you are using Android, you will have to download the Binance app. In the same way, if you are using iPhone, you still have to download the Binance app. And so for this training, because I am using iPhone, I will go to the App Store. And as you can see, I am in the App Store. So I will click on the search button and then type in Binance. Once you type in the Binance, you open up different version of Binance apps for you. The first one is the Binance International, or what I term Global Binance. The second one is Binance US, because the Binance US has limited coins. I'll prefer to use the Binance International to create this account for this training. I will click on it. Once you click on it, you will click on Get the app, and it will open for you. And because I have already opened up or downloaded the Binance app on my phone, I will click on Open. As soon as you click on Open, you will go to the first page where it says sign up with a phone or email address. I prefer using email address. The reason being that if I use my phone and I happen to travel outside the country, I will not be able to access my phone. And so I prefer email address, because anywhere you go, you'll be able to use your email address. You'll click on where it says sign up, and then it will come welcome to Binance. It will ask you to choose country of residence. In this training, I will choose Ghana. And then I will confirm my country of residence. And this is where it will ask me to put down my email address or phone number. I'll put down my email address, which I'm using to create the account. It will ask me to put down password. I will choose a password. I'll click on create account, and there will be a symbol and a slider You will slide the symbol to your right and put it in the same symbol to your right to fit in exactly. Okay? And then once you do that, it will send you a verification code to your email address, the email address you put down. You have to go to that email address to get the code. I'll type in the email address, the code I received in the email address, and click submit. And it will tell you the email address has been verified. Once it's been verified, it will ask you to turn on Face ID. So you will enable it, and it will have your Face ID. Now, before I proceed, I would like to explain this here for you. As you can see, it says turn on Binance Lite. There are two ways you can trade on Binance. Either you trade using Binance Lite or you trade using Binance Pro. What you see right here is a Binance Pro. To switch from Binance Pro to Binance Lite, you just click on the button to your right side, and it's going to give you Binance Lite. To go back to Binance Pro, you have to click on the profile you see to the left of your screen, or you see the head. You click on that head, and then you see Binance Lite. You once again click on the button next to the Binance Lite, and you're going to switch to Binance Pro. You back to the Binance Pro. Let us continue. So, for Binance to finish creating your account, you have to verify your account. So you click on where it says unverified. You accept the cookies, and it's going to ask you once again to confirm your residential country. I'll make sure that I choose Ghana as my residential country. And then it's going to tell you what you need in order to verify your account. And so, as I said previously, you need your personal information, government issue identification, and facial recognition. I'll click on Start Verification. And then it's going to ask me to put down my personal information. First, my nationality. I'll choose Ghana. And I'll put down my first name. It will ask me for the date of birth. Make sure that the date of birth you follow the symbol giving you, the format. Okay, once you put in your date of birth, you click continue. It's going to ask you for your residential address. Because Ghana doesn't use postcode, I will not put down anything down for postcode. I will put down the city. And I'll click continue. Now, this is where it will ask you to choose a form of government issue identification. For this training, I will choose ID card. You can choose driver's license or passport if that is what you have. I'll click on it. And for those of you in Ghana, you can use your Ghana card. It will work. I'll click continue, and it's going to ask you to take a photo, the photo of your front side of the ID card. Take a photo. You taking the photo, make sure that you have enough lights. Now you have to take the back photo of the back of your ID card. Once again, make sure you have enough lights. After you have taken the back of your ID card and it's downloaded, it's going to ask you if the photo is not clear. It's going to ask you the image is overexposure. You can, and then it'll ask you to retake it. So I will retake the photo again to make sure that I get a clear photo. I'll click OK and continue. It will tell me document uploaded. I'll click continue, and then it's going to ask you to take a selfie. And therefore you click on take a selfie, and it's going to take yourself a selfie. Once the selfie is uploaded, you're going to click continue. And at this point, it's going to start your facial verification. So you click start verification. And then once you click on start verification, it's going to give you this head. And then you make sure this symbol that looks like a head, you make sure that you put your head, your face in it to fit in. Once you put your face in it, it's going to ask you to sometimes turn your head, make sure you turn it. And it's fixed in it. Sometimes it will time out, so you have to make sure that you do it quick. So it timed me out, I have to do it again. Okay, and then you click continue, start verification again because it did not go through. So as you do all this, after you finished it and it's verified, you will go back to your account, and then it's going to tell you that your account is verified. This completes the creation of Binance account. Thank you so much. At this time, I will explain the steps in a Ghanaian language called Akan or Tree.